The future of agriculture is already here, and Japan is leading the way. Follow agricultural development insights for warming innovations from around the world. Taking the top spots are intelligent fruit-picking robots and next-generation harvesting systems, powered by artificial intelligence and machine vision. Robotic lettuce harvesters, and high-speed vegetable sorting systems are helping farmers produce more with fewer workers. Autonomous tractors and AI-powered drones are planting, spraying, and monitoring crops with centimeter-level precision. Smart tomato harvesters and intelligent cucumber robots work around the clock, identifying perfectly ripe produce with unmatched accuracy. Number 9 features robotic strawberry pickers, with advanced vision systems that gently harvest ripe fruit without causing damage. At number 10, autonomous rice harvesters use AI and GPS to navigate fields, reducing labor while maximizing efficiency. Japan is transforming farming with futuristic machines that harvest faster. Here are the top 10 agricultural machines leading the revolution in 2026. The future of agriculture is happening now. If you enjoyed this look at Japan's latest tech, make sure to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more groundbreaking farming innovations.